Okay, hello everyone. It's Thursday the 21st of July. Let's have a look at what's going on today. I didn't get ready in time this morning to do a pre-market open, but we'll have a look at what's happened anyway. I'm just drawing some information on the charts here. This was the channel we've been looking at for some time. Don't know if that was that. That was it. This the bottom of those, I think. Yeah, there we go. That's what we were looking at. Now, if anyone saw yesterday's video, it was quite prescient. I believe I mentioned my initial thoughts for this. As we broke out of the channel, we looked for a retest and a reaction. On Tuesday, we had a reasonable pullback, but it V-bottomed straight out of the bottom of that. Now, I was looking for shorts around these areas. Let me stretch that out a little bit so we can see it a bit clearer. Something I will point out is this moving average. It's a 30-period moving average. I never use them, but I just put it on for interest's sake today to just show you how long this trend's been going. It's been a really, really long run now. Maybe this is the end of the trend. I don't know. We'll see. The cash market's sitting up above the 20 level on the 55 at the moment, 23. So we're having a look now at the actual futures market. Now, what happened is I pointed out, I think I pointed out the exit from this channel, the retest, and I was looking for lower levels down into here and here. I think I can't remember now, but they were fib levels. But as it pushed back up into this, I was either looking for a false break back into the channel and a spike up and a spike back down, like engaging in this consolidation through here. We were seeing if we're going to get a consolidator removed, but I had a caveat that perhaps it would come back and test and sit on this channel and then take off, which is exactly what it's done. Now, let's put a horizontal line in here at the high, and you can see what it did straight off the high. Broke through, came back, tested the high, with leaving a gap here, which is very, very bullish sign, leaving a big gap like that, and it's taken off. So shorts very unhappy, and longs very happy at the moment. Now, having said that, I'm short currently, and it's in the money by a few ticks. We're not talking these, like several hundred tick moves where we are now. From this breakout back down here is 5,200, and we're up 5,500 now. So it's a 300 tick move. If you trade longer term, you'd be a happy person right now. But that's not this blog. This not this channel, this blog. This is intraday trading. And with intraday trading, you want to pay attention to the trend. However, you can't always go the direction you want to go. Intraday trading. Longer term trading, yes. Let's just trade purely in the direction of the trend. We pay attention to it, but we can't only trade that. If I move down the time frames, the 15-minute chart here that I got marked up. These are just yesterday's close, the cash close, and at 4 o'clock, and then the futures market close at 4:30. You could see overnight what it did, came up, back, tested, and shot back up again with the US Open. And this morning, here we are. It's just opened above the high up here. Nothing else to say about that. But like, very difficult to get into that move. That was very, very quick. You might have, put a small position on in that early volatility and come out laughing. We seem to have stalled at this level as we're pushing down now. If we have a look at a 5-minute chart, I'll show you where I went short. It's up in blue sky now, so at the point, there's no local references here. There's no local references. The closest one's here, and up in this position we haven't got anything. So what do we do in that case? We look down the time frame and we start using intraday price action as our own reference. So we've seen it spike up. We haven't met new highs, and there's entries here and here. I'm short somewhere up here, and then again I've gone short here, and I'm waiting for this one to come in an attempt to close this gap and come and test the opening price and perhaps completely close the gap. There's only a few ticks in it, so let's see what happens for the rest of the day. Okay, we're back again. I just wanted to show you guys something I noticed just now. I was having a look, just as we all should do, is just never stop looking, never stop drawing things, never stop thinking about it. Looking for reasons why. Look, why has this happened? Why has this happened? Look, find a technical reason for everything. That's probably one of the best pieces of advice I ever got from a professional trader. Is like, find a reason for everything. Just sit there and examine your charts, wipe them out, draw them again, wipe them out, draw them again, and only through that process will you see these things. So just now, I was having a little look outside of my YouTube time, and I noticed this extension. So we've got a flat top here. We've got some sort of like ascending kind of a wedge pattern, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, this was yesterday, or I think it was last night, perhaps. Yes, it was last night on the open. I remember now. Last night on the open of the US market, popped down, tested this high here, and then came up. But look at that 200% extension. There you go. Exactly. Out in space. But is it out in space? There's a reason for it, and it looks like it's that. So anyway, I wanted to point that out, and that's something that people can look for. It's basically just an equal movement. Bang, bang. There you go. Okay, so yep, good luck with your rest of your trading day. It looks like we are pulling back. I'm looking for it to fill this gap. So at the moment it's where are we? So it's around 76. We want it to come down to 67, so another 10 ticks. So good luck with that. I hope you've got a few on. Talk to you later. Right, here we are again. At the end of the day, the price action, as I was saying, we were looking for that gap to fill, which is what happened. Plus, we got a little bit more out of it. Personally, I took profits. I looked for a test here and a reaction. Now this is the 15-minute chart. Look, I didn't make any money on that, obviously. The other obvious trade through here was either this swing low here or this little bit of price action there. Either of these are a sensible trade. This swing low worked. We got a reaction. You could have got, let's see how many ticks we could have got out of that if you had to put an order there. 72 to 66. So yeah, look, about 5 ticks, and as I said, there's 5 tick fractals in the SPY and on the whole. What's happened is it's paid attention to this bulk of price action here. It's come back, spiked through, V'd out, same as here, back here on 2 days ago. No, it wasn't that. It was much earlier than that, sorry. Anyway, this was last night. But similar to the other day, it did a V bottom and it's been bid straight back out again. It's still bullish. As I've been saying, don't trade short. Even though I have today and I've won, it's a very difficult environment to try and go short in. You have to take profits pretty quickly. It's worked today, but again, lost it up here. I suspect that it looks like it's going to open up again. I mean, let's go out to the hourly chart. Let's find it. over 1 today. That's the hourly chart. We're still within this broad trading range. It didn't look like we were ever going to get below these levels here. It had a shot, but it didn't like it, and we're still bullish. So that'll be it for today. Good luck trading, and good evening.